8 powerful foods that help control diabetes. Did you know that your diet can be the key to managing diabetes and even preventing its complications? High blood sugar levels can lead to severe health issues like heart disease, kidney failure, vision loss, and nerve damage. But here's the good news. The right foods can help you balance blood sugar levels and protect your body from the harmful effects of diabetes. Stay with us until the end because we're revealing 8 powerful foods that can make a real difference in your health. Let's dive in. 1. Spinach, the super green for blood sugar control. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating spinach regularly. This leafy green is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and has an extremely low glycemic index, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar. Plus, it's very low in carbohydrates, making it a diabetes-friendly food you should definitely include in your meals. 2. Broccoli, the ultimate anti-inflammatory veggie. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps reduce inflammation and control blood sugar levels. Not only that, but it also protects your blood vessels from the cardiovascular damage caused by diabetes. Want to supercharge your meals? Add more broccoli. 3. Olive oil, the heart-healthy fat. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can consume. It contains omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids that help maintain the elasticity of blood vessels. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in antioxidants like tyrosol and phenolic compounds, which combat inflammation and protect your heart. Ditch unhealthy fats and make olive oil a staple in your diet. 4. Sweet potatoes, a smart carbohydrate choice. If you love carbs but need to manage your blood sugar, sweet potatoes are your best bet. They have a low glycemic index and help keep blood sugar stable. When eaten in moderation, sweet potatoes can be an excellent addition to a diabetes-friendly diet without causing harmful spikes. 5. Blueberries, nature's sweet blood sugar regulator. Blueberries are packed with soluble and insoluble fiber. While insoluble fiber helps remove excess fat from the body, soluble fiber lowers cholesterol and glucose levels. Additionally, blueberries contain anthocyanins, natural compounds believed to boost insulin production and help regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Tomatoes, a low-carb nutritional powerhouse. Tomatoes are loaded with vitamins C, A, and K, as well as essential minerals like potassium and manganese. Their low-carb content helps regulate blood sugar while also supporting weight loss. Eating tomatoes regularly can help prevent diabetes-related complications and promote overall health. 7. Cinnamon, the miracle spice for diabetes. Cinnamon is a powerhouse when it comes to regulating blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that consuming 1 to 3 teaspoons of cinnamon per day can improve insulin sensitivity and lower glucose levels. Plus, its strong antioxidant properties make it a must-have in your diet. 8. Dates, a natural sweetener with a low glycemic index. Craving something sweet? Dates are an excellent alternative to refined sugar. With a low glycemic index, they help satisfy your sweet tooth without causing major blood sugar spikes. Plus, they're rich in fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a great snack choice for people with diabetes. There you have it. 8 powerful foods that can help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and protect your body from diabetes complications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. What's your go-to food for managing diabetes? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and nutrition tips.